Hello students, welcome to Department of English. You are going to take a look at you are going to learn today as to how to answer the long questions, especially for the subject Compulsory English. I am Dr. Anupama Vatkar from Department of English and I welcome you all for today's informative video. Now let's take a look at some of the salient features, or I must say that I have summarized some of the important points when you are writing long questions on prose. Prose means whatever chapters are prescribed in your syllabus. Now, long answers carry a lot of weightage when it comes to exams. So, while writing long answer, you should start with introduction stating the name of the author, title of the prose means chapter, and theme of the story in short. Remember, your introduction should not exceed more than 2 to 3 lines. This is an important part of your answer and it makes an impressive answer. It gives you an impressive startup for your answer. Second important point is make proper paragraphs for new point with correct sequence. While writing answers, you have to ensure that new point will start with a new paragraph. This will not only give clarity to your answer, but it will also help you to recognize and identify the correct point. But while writing the points, you have to remember the correct sequence. Okay? The next most important thing is ensure that the answer is accurate with correct sentence structure. By sentence structure, I mean that if you are unable to create long sentences, make sure that your sentences are simple and short, with correct grammar, with correct grammatical punctuation marks, without any errors, with correct spellings, and with correct quotations. If you at all need to put some quotations in the answers, so quotation marks should also be given. So these all actually are a part of sentence structure. Long answer should be written in at least 200 words, considering the marks allotted to the question. For example, in compulsory English, 7 marks are allotted for the long answer. So you must write 200 words. The answer should be in 200 words. Let me tell you, approximately 200 words make a page, single page, front and back. But considering the font of your handwriting, it may cover up to 1.5 page. So that is the required length of the answer. But if you think that you have ample of time and enough sufficient of knowledge and you can remember the points, you can elucidate and you can still expand your answer in more than 200 words if it's possible. Leave thin margin on both the sides of the answer paper. Dear students, always remember that while answering any question for your exam, your first impression is the last impression. Your first impression should be very clean, neat and tidy. Your answer should appear in a very proper manner. I'm not saying that we evaluate only the first answer. That doesn't mean that you have to write rest of the answers in a very filthy or in a very dirty manner. But it actually means that you should keep up with the same neatness, with the same nice handwriting. You should keep up with the same pace of writing till the last answer. So always leave thin margin on both the sides of the answer paper so that your answer comes out very clean. And always remember that you have to make smaller, simpler and shorter sentences which are free from any grammatical errors, having correct punctuation marks, and above all, spellings matter a lot in compulsory English. So always pay attention to the spellings as well. I hope this video had been quite helpful for you in writing the long answers. Hope you would like this video. Thank you so much.